Sal, the worst person, the meanest to Vic Mignogna. Aside from Mars Girl, who's just the meanest of means. So mean. Such an evil person. Is that evil Dominic Scott. So this is a roast. This is a roast of that monster, Dominic Scott, who's totally just mean and she's not pretty. I don't want to do stuff with her, and this isn't just some sort of jealous rage coming out because I feel that I could never get a girl as pretty as her to even look at me, and so I have to react by pretending that I hate her. That's not what this is at all. No, not at all. It's because they're so mean. So mean. So, I'm not a comedian, but I'm going to do roast jokes because I'm very clever. Because that's what I stand with Vic. We are clever people. So, my roast jokes are very biting, incisive commentary. This isn't just some ad hominem attacks, even though I could totally do ad hominems on Dominic all day because there's just so much to do. But so I'm going for deep, incisive commentary about their evilness. Dominic, you're so fat that a whale said, "Damn, you're fat." And you're so stupid that a stupid person was like, "Oh my God, you're stupid." So there. See? Some really cutting commentary. I'll bet she's crying right now. I'm not. Not at all. I'm not crying about anything. I'm just laying down thinking about how funny it is that those dummy, the kick Vic dummy head cucks, stupid cucks, are just enraged. They're just so mad because Vic has got his case dismissed, but he's gonna appeal. And so they're crying. And see, not like me, I'm laughing. That's what I'm doing. I'm laughing. My makeup's not messed up because I've been crying for like 6 hours. Not at all. It's because I've been laughing so hard that tears have been coming out of my eyes. That's what it is. Yes. Clearly. So, wherever you are, Dominic Sky, if that's even your real name, like somebody would have the last name of Sky when they're part of dirt, like you. Because dirt's on the ground, and the ground is low, and that's bad. See, yes, that's why that joke's funny. That's what I was thinking there. You get it. I don't think she'll ever see this because pretty girls don't look at YouTube, and especially not YouTube's like mine. But that's not why I'm mad at her. It's not some sublimated frustration at all. Oh my God, no. It's not some sort of weird holdover from high school. It's because she's been so just mean to Vic Mignogna, my hero, who has his big, strong hands and just such a gentle smile and then those lovely frosted tips, and I just love the way that his face never changes expression. Other people say it's Botox, but I know better. It's just because he's so calm. He's unable to be rattled by all USJW cucks. That's what it is. Fare thee well, Dominic Dirt. I've got to go not cry and laugh about all you sad cucks some more. Bye.